Why did the Scarecrow become a bodybuilder? Because he was outstanding in his field. Can you build a muscular physique by consistently eating fast food? It's a question that sparks curiosity and debate. On one hand, we associate fast food with unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and empty calories. On the other hand, muscle growth requires a surplus of calories and ample protein, both of which can be found in many fast food options. This video delves into the intriguing relationship between fast food and muscle building, exploring the science, examining the evidence, and ultimately determining whether achieving such a feat is truly possible. Imagine this: a world where greasy burgers and crispy fries could fuel our muscle-building dreams. It sounds like a fantasy, but is it really that far-fetched? To answer this question, we need to understand the fundamental principles of muscle growth. We'll then analyze the nutritional composition of typical fast food items, comparing them to the requirements of muscle building. Finally, we'll explore case studies and research to separate fact from fiction, and determine whether a fast food diet can support muscle growth. Get ready to challenge your assumptions and dive into the fascinating world of fast food and fitness. Before we embark on our exploration of fast food's muscle-building potential, let's establish a solid understanding of how muscles grow. Muscle growth, scientifically known as muscle hypertrophy, is a complex process that involves several key factors. These include resistance training, adequate protein intake, a calorie surplus, and sufficient rest. When we engage in resistance training, such as lifting weights, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. These tears signal to the body to repair and rebuild the damaged muscle tissue, making it stronger and larger. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, and it provides the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Consuming enough protein is crucial for maximizing muscle protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies build new muscle proteins. A calorie surplus, meaning consuming more calories than we burn, provides the energy our bodies need to fuel muscle growth. Without sufficient calories, our bodies may break down muscle tissue for energy, hindering our muscle-building efforts. Finally, rest and recovery are essential for allowing our muscles to repair and rebuild after strenuous workouts. During rest, our bodies release growth hormones and rebuild muscle tissue, leading to increased muscle mass over time. Now, let's turn our attention to the nutritional composition of fast food. Fast food is often characterized by its high-calorie, fat, and sodium content, but it can also provide significant amounts of protein and carbohydrates. A typical fast food meal, such as a double cheeseburger, large fries, and a sugary soda, can easily exceed 1,000 calories and 50 grams of fat. While this may seem beneficial for those seeking a calorie surplus, the quality of these calories is questionable. Many fast food items are laden with saturated and trans fats, which can contribute to heart disease and other health problems. Additionally, the high sodium content in fast food can lead to water retention and bloating, making it difficult to accurately assess muscle gains. Fast food often lacks essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for overall health and well-being. These nutrients play vital roles in energy production, immune function, and digestion, all of which indirectly support muscle growth. Section 4. Fast food fitness: fact or fiction. Despite the nutritional drawbacks of fast food, some individuals claim to have achieved significant muscle growth while consuming it regularly. This begs the question: are these claims backed by scientific evidence, or are they merely anecdotal exceptions? Research on the relationship between fast food consumption and muscle growth is limited, but some studies suggest that it is possible to gain muscle mass while eating fast food, provided that certain conditions are met. One study found that consuming a high-protein fast food meal after a workout resulted in similar muscle protein synthesis rates compared to consuming a high-protein meal from a healthier source. This suggests that the protein in fast food, despite its less-than-ideal nutritional profile, can still contribute to muscle growth. However, it's important to note that these studies often involve highly controlled environments and short-term interventions. The long-term effects of a fast food diet on muscle growth and overall health remain largely unknown. Section 5. Pumping iron on a diet of burgers: exercise essentials. While it may be possible to gain some muscle mass while eating fast food, it's crucial to remember that exercise, particularly resistance training, is the primary driver of muscle growth. No matter how many calories or grams of protein you consume, you won't build significant muscle without consistently challenging your muscles through weightlifting. A well-rounded weightlifting program should target all major muscle groups including the chest, back, legs, shoulders, and arms. Compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are particularly effective for stimulating muscle growth as they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. In addition to weightlifting, incorporating other forms of exercise such as cardio and flexibility training can further support your muscle-building goals. Cardio helps improve cardiovascular health and endurance, while flexibility training enhances range of motion and reduces the risk of injury. Section 6. The health risks of a steady diet of double cheeseburgers. While the idea of building muscle on a fast food diet may seem appealing, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential health risks associated with such a dietary approach. Fast food, when consumed regularly and in excess, can increase the risk of various health problems, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The high saturated and trans fat content in many fast food items can raise LDL cholesterol levels, also known as bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. The excessive sodium in fast food can lead to high blood pressure, another risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, the high sugar content in many fast food beverages and desserts can contribute to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, fast food is often low in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and regularity. A low-fiber diet can increase the risk of constipation, hemorrhoids, and other digestive problems. Section 7. The verdict is building muscle on fast food sustainable. So, can you build muscle on a fast food diet? The short answer is, it's complicated. While it may be possible to gain some muscle mass while consuming fast food, it's not an optimal or sustainable approach for long-term muscle growth and overall health. Fast food can provide the calories and protein necessary for muscle growth, but it lacks many essential nutrients and is often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar. Consuming fast food regularly can increase the risk of various health problems, undermining your muscle-building efforts in the long run. Building muscle and achieving optimal health requires a holistic approach that prioritizes nutrient-dense whole foods while limiting processed foods, including fast food. By focusing on a balanced diet, consistent resistance training, and adequate rest, you can create a sustainable foundation for muscle growth and overall well-being. What are your thoughts on this intriguing topic? Have you ever tried building muscle while incorporating fast food into your diet? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and also follow my Instagram at JeremyBradford32.